the finer details been great.
We're very proud of it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, definitely. It's going to be here for a long time. Hi, I'm Johnny Mathis.
And I'm Div Harrison, and we're here at Tin Line Downs.
Yeah, we've only owned this place for about a year and a half, and through the buying process, the woolshed had a lightning strike, which burnt it to the ground. So, yeah, we've had to rebuild. It's been a great process working with the Shed Specialist Co. They've been very professional and great communicators, dealing with all the consents and insurance claim that we had to go through to get the shed across the line. Yeah, well, it's built into the side of a hill, which was a wee bit challenging, and it was pretty wet underfoot, so we had a wee bit of an issue getting around the foundations, but that was never a problem with the Shed Specialist Co.
So features and aspects of the shed that we love is the covered yards. They're amazing, aren't they?
Yeah, we decided to add them on at the start, and yeah, that's definitely going to make life a lot easier up here with our rainfall. And the shed itself, it's got a lovely flow to it now, and it's got a new toilet and kitchen in it, and yeah, it's definitely a lot more workable.
The journey with the Shed Specialist Co has been very memorable. We've really enjoyed the staff that have been here creating this wool shed for us. Communication has been 10 out of 10 and we've really appreciated that because we are incredibly busy and we've just had full confidence in the process. So with the shed, it doesn't just look good, it's very functional.
Yeah, right through from the lifting gates and the flow in the shed and just the catching pens and the ramps and everything. Yeah, it's all works amazingly good.
Johnny and I know that the Shed Specialist Co have gone over and above in the work that they've done for us.
They've really got into bat for us and made things seamless right from the start to the finish. We're very thankful for the support they gave us through this.
We would absolutely recommend the Shed Specialist Co to friends, families.
Yeah, anyone thinking of building a wool shed or a farm building, definitely.
Yeah, absolutely.
Our client in late 2022 suffered a devastating fire to their wool shed on their remote property in North Canterbury due to a lightning strike. Shed Specialists scoped out a replacement wool shed and covered yards and subsequently won the job. Dealing with the Shed Specialist Co has been easy with clear communications, on-site update visits and regular communications. Shed Specialists' workmanship is first class and they have built a well-constructed modern wool shed for our mutual client. At FMG, we are focused on getting our clients back on track after the unexpected has happened. It is great to have a partner like the Shed Specialist Co to work alongside to get the job done. Senior Loss Adjuster.